All right, you guys. Nick's not here. Once again, I'm doing the best I can, you guys. Bear with me. All right. We have this beautiful Rolls Royce Spectre. It's finally completed. This was a very, very nice build, as you guys can see. 1016 carbon kit, beautiful body kit on this car. We have some beautiful RDB wheels. Of course, all day this shit doesn't go on, it comes on now. All right, guys, so yeah, beautiful carbon kit, 1016 kit, wrapped in beautiful Toyo tires, RDB wheels. There you have it, lowered. Amazing color, by the way, this car has. It's beautiful. It goes very, very nice with the black wheels and the carbon kit. So yeah, you guys will see this much better in the videos, and you guys will see it right now as you guys watch the next video. Also, right behind this one, we have its little brother. That's right behind it. And yeah, it'll be cool to take a look at these two cars. Same video. You guys enjoy it. We work hard to make this thing make you guys happy. So enjoy it. Have fun.
Movimiento sexy. Okay, guys, we have. We have it here, big. It's gonna get mad. See, we have even for the G-Wagon 2025. So we're waiting for this guy finish to start with the first back. So we're gonna do it body color. Normal, this one's come with the all these ones chrome moldings.
Chrome?
So we're gonna do body color, but this one no, though this one's gonna be black, like green. But this part over here, yeah, we have a chrome, and we have to fix all that little details has this car, so we have to make it good. And yeah, we're done with this.
Mercedes. What is this? Let's see. We got a Mercedes A220 here. This car is in here for brake job. Last time we did brakes on this car was about 40,000 miles, which is good. So 40,000 miles, you know, brake wear is very good. So it's time for brakes again all around. Front pads, rotors, rear pads, rotors, all the way around. That's it for this one. It'll be ready in a few hours. We have a purple Lamborghini Urus. Just told to us right now. Brought inside the shop. There's many imperfections on this kit. So it's here. It's at the right place with the right people to fix it. Let's take a look. This is very bad. Okay, so I don't know what happened here. We're gonna take this apart. We're gonna do it the right way.
Is the whole kit like this?
Yeah, pretty much. And you guys can see there's a lot of stuff here going on. A lot of this glue and stuff like that, which is terrible. We have a lot of stuff here. Look at this. Look at this gap. Look at this gap that you guys see here. This is very bad. It's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be flush. And basically the whole car. You guys can see this here. This is already coming apart. Look at this. Already coming apart. Nothing is done right. It's sad. Unfortunately, a car like this, I mean, I would be upset as a customer if this was my car. So we're gonna fix it. We're gonna take everything out, clean everything, do the whole process all over again, put it back together, get this car back to the plant.
What
are you doing? How's your day going so far?
My day?
Same shit? Or a little bit better, or
Better.
like this one?
Talk about this.
Yeah.
This is a big belly. Money.
Food is good, yeah. Food is a problem. It's very hard to not eat.
We had some diet last time. How many months you try? A month?
1 month.
Right?
Yeah, I lost 9 pounds and I gained 12. Lewis is tired. It's only Tuesday. You got 3 more days. You got 3 full days to go.
3 full days.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Friday?
Huh?
Vámonos a la casa.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. I have
Bro, that's
a
somebody from Baywatch? Now I know how movie stars feel.
I have an idea. Wait.
I have an idea too. Finish the damn car.
No, Bill, come here.
Look at I gotta go, man. I don't have time for this shit. Oh, hell no, I'm not doing that. No, I got soccer practice today.
Thank you.
So we have a G-Wagon here. This one is a collision problem. Customer got in an accident. You guys can see the left rear of the car is completely destroyed. So it's here for that. Let's take a look.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, so this is a pretty big damage. You know, some people might see it as, you know, not too, but yeah, it's a pretty big damage for a G-Wagon because this is a lot of work. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we need to do. First thing is a tear down. We'll tear it down and see what else we need because there's, for sure, for damage like this, there's more damage behind it. So that's what we're gonna do now. So stay tuned for this one. I almost died yesterday on the freeway.
Really?
The alternator gave out. Alternator gave out, the van shut off immediately, completely, quickly. It's so scary, man. Wait, she's not back and help me. Alright, guys.
Sad day.
Yesterday on the way home, I had a tragedy. The alternator for the van gave up on the freeway. It was really dangerous. Shut off while I was going home. So yeah, now the keys got locked in here, which is worse. It's just, it's a double whammy. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna try to open it up now because we're completely doors locked, and that's what we're trying to do right now. I'm gonna leave this. Yeah, I got diarrhea. Yeah. All right, you guys. All right, guys. We have this beautiful Rolls Royce Phantom here. We are doing a full mastery kit on this car. This is what you want to be in when you're traveling somewhere far. This is a Vegas car right here. Sleep in it, do whatever you want.
Place bets in it.
Yeah, place parlay bets in here. You might have good luck, better chance winning if you're in this car. Beautiful car. We're doing a mastery kit on this one. Stay tuned. This is going to be a very nice build. We're going to show you updates, and you'll see how the process goes. We have this Rolls Royce Cullinan. Nothing really crazy, but we're going to do a few things to this. So customer wants to light up Spirit of XT. We're going to do a light up so it lights up with ignition all the time. Also, you guys see a little bit of orange here, markers, and red in the back. We're going to do a blackout on that. Basically do a few little things here and there. Nothing really crazy for this car. We also have wheels coming for this car that the client chose himself. We should have the wheels arrive probably by Monday. So you guys will see this car all done. Looks good. You guys are going to like it. Nothing crazy. It already has a mastery kit, but we're just going to dress it up a little bit more and make it nicer. That's it.